Strategies, attention. Strategies, attention. And cover up, inside, hands up, inside, hands down. Now all of you be ready for Mr. Atta. Hands cover up, inside, blue house light, boys, make it safe. And hands up, inside,
USB drive.
hands down. Now all of you be ready for next Atta. Hands cover up, inside, hands up, inside, hands down. Stand at ease, attention.
Like this,
Stand at ease, attention.
you are training well.
I would like to call speakers from grade 8 and 9 to give their speech.
आदरणीय प्रधानधर्यज्यू, उपप्रधानधर्यज्यू, गुरुवर्ग तथा मेरा साथीहरू, आज म यस वक्तृत्वमा भाग लिन अत्यन्तै खुसी छु र पहिला म यो वक्तृत्व कलाको आयोजक गर्ने आजलाई धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु र मेरो शीर्षक रहेछ समस्यीकरण भनेको एउटा तत्त्व हो। समस्यीकरणले जो मानिसले मूल प्रभाव गर्न सकेको छैन उसलाई मूल प्रभाव गर्नलाई भनिन्छ। समस्यीकरणले जाति धर्म सबैलाई समान मान्छन् र भविष्यको निर्माणमा काम दिन्छन्। समस्यीकरणले समय परिवर्तन गर्न सकिन्छ। नागरिकहरूलाई आफ्नो कर्तव्य हितको लागि सहयोग गर्न सकिन्छ। देशको आर्थिक विकासमा पनि यसले सहयोग गर्न सकिन्छ र समावेशीकरणले देशको आर्थिक विकासमा पनि सहयोग गर्न सकिन्छ। समावेशीकरणले यसका राष्ट्रमा धेरै सहयोगहरू गर्न सकिन्छ र समावेशीकरणले जाति धर्म सबैको सम्मान मानी सबैलाई दृष्टिकोण सहयोग गर्छ, कानुन सहयोग गर्छ। धन्यवाद।
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. As you all know, it's me Nikki Samanandar from grade 8 standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of discipline. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the organizer who have organized this type of program that helps to increase the confidence level of the students. Now my topic goes like this: discipline. The word discipline comes from the word disciple. Disciple is a learner. Whether it is in the school, in the society or the home, discipline is a watchword everywhere. The man who lives in the society needs to follow some rules and regulations to live his life smoothly. Discipline is also necessary in a student's life. The student, if a student doesn't have discipline doesn't follow the rules and regulations, he or she will never be successful in their life. At last, I like to say that we should be in discipline wherever we go. Thank you.
Hands cover up. Hands side. Hands up. Clap your hands. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now I would like to call our respected Vice Principal sir to give some information.
Thank you very much. Hands cover up. Marigold house girls line is not straight. Why? If there is no space, they can join in boys line. Some of the girls of Marigold, they can join or to the boys line so that it will be straight line. Rhododendron? Oh, rhododendron, okay. Who is using this? Rhododendron girls, you can join in boys line. And side. Hands up. Stretch your hands. Hands side. Hands down. Stand it. So today, class 4 and 5 also has their evaluation test. In 4th period, class 4 English, 5 Nepali, 6 English, 7 Social Studies, 8 Nepali, 9 and 10 Science. In second shift, class 4 Social Studies, 5 Maths, 6 Maths, 7 Nepali, 8 English, 9 and 10 Account. So accordingly you have to be prepared. You are not allowed to cheat from your friends. You must practice. You must write during the preparation time. And if it is your writing time, please remember what you have practiced, what you have read, and express it. Everything must be in your mind. Don't forget to store like those computer files. How the computer files are stored in its hard disks. You have also got very, very powerful hard disks, that is brain. Store in it. Get the techniques, ideas, and solve all those problems. Attention. Studies. Attention. Cover up. Hands side. Hands up. Clap together. Together. No louder sound is heard. Why? It is a kind of exercise. Due to clap or due to clapping, your blood circulation becomes more smoother. Mind becomes sharper. Hands side. Hands down. Studies. Attention. March time. Together. Okay. Karnali house girls, move forward.
नमस्कार मैम
खिचिहाल्छु नि युद्ध लडिस लडिस
Namaskar, ma'am. Namaskar, ma'am. Namaskar, ma'am.